Hi Aries, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing another love bite for you. Let's see Aries what message wants to show through for you today, and these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aries and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life now. Thank you. All right, Aries, let's begin. Welcome back, my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And if you're new here, Aries, of course, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, Aries. Oh, okay. Six of Pentacles, center of my spread, Aries. Aries, somebody is thinking about how they caused a tower to fall, and they want to have equal give and take, it seems, and don't want to have this inconsistent behavior anymore. They know they've messed up big time in the past, Six of Pentacles in reverse, but they are kind of going back and forth and kind of figuring out how now to invest back into this connection. They see you as very dynamic, a go-getter, very good looking, and I think very attracted to you as well. This person doesn't want this chapter to end, that's for sure, and they are kind of wondering how to proceed from here. So what I'm going to do, Aries, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. Aries and their person, or this could be you, Aries. Maybe somebody has returned from the past and now you're in two minds because, okay, I'm not going to say anything. I talk too much. So, all right. So what I'm going to do, start with some dialogue message cards and see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. And then I'll clarify these cards to get the real message out. All right. Aries and their person, spirit. Aries and their person. Aries and their person. Maybe somebody wants to rebuild here with the tower in reverse. Okay. Aries and their person. All right. Good to go, Aries. Let's begin your reading. The first one here says, if only you knew what I've been through to be at your side. Do you really know the sacrifices I have made? It hurts like hell when you push me away, when all I do is fight for you and our love. Your indifference could be the difference as to whether I continue to invest in you and our relationship anymore. I always felt your loving energy so strongly as a comforting presence. It hurts me when I can't feel your energy. Are you pulling away from me? I'm not currently feeling in the right place for a relationship right now. I do see us together in future. I believe that you're my destiny. I haven't apologized because I don't feel deserving of your forgiveness. I haven't been able to forgive myself for the way I treated you. I think somebody is now kind of thinking about how they caused this tower to fall between the two of you, Aries. I know that I need to make amends for my mistakes. I'm contemplating how to do this. See, I told you, somebody is thinking of what investment now to put in, right? After really ruining things. I know that I need to make amends for my mistakes. I'm contemplating how to do this because I want to show you how much you mean to me. Loving and being loved is the most beautiful, crazy, unexpected, and magical feeling I've ever felt. Thank you for loving me the way that you do. I love you to infinity. Aren't you tired of overthinking and being so hard on yourself? You can deliver yourself out of pain, fear, and frustration, and you will see what I've seen in you all along. So maybe one of you was more ascended than the other. I will wait for you as long as I have to. You seem distant, not yourself. I feel you pulling away from me. Second card, which has come, Aries, again mentioning that they can't feel your energetic presence anymore. They feel you're pulling away, or vice versa. I didn't have the courage to tell you. Alright, Aries, so if these are resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading. First, I'm going to take an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you today, and then we'll start the reading. So, my angels, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for my Aries gang, please. Confidence. Aries, I don't think you have a problem with that, but Aries, Spirit is saying you are given now the sword of Archangel Michael, right? So use it very wisely. Right now you're sitting on, you've ascended, I think. You have the power of truth by your side. Use it wisely. And be confident. I mean, simple as that. So now let's start the reading. Six of Cups, Spirit. Somebody wants to bring justice. We could be dealing with a Libra. Yes, somebody wants to bring justice to whatever pain that they've caused maybe in the past. Something really went wrong in a soulmate connection here, Aries. So somebody is thinking of how they can return. Somebody wants this connection to return and bring justice to it because they know that something kind of blew up here. Two of Pentacles, Spirit. Two of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles. Yes, this person is very, very confused. Whoever this person is, I think now it's their turn to ascend because they've really gone within. They've spent a lot of time in contemplation, or maybe they still are there, I don't know. This person has been by themselves, totally sad, feeling lonely, rejected, dejected. Nothing and nobody else can, entice them into feeling happy again, it seems, Aries. Look at these two cards, if you can see them clearly. And yes, they feel they've had a stroke of bad luck. Maybe they're facing some bad karma with the Judgment in reverse. Now they want to do the right thing, but I think this person is going back and forth in their mind as to how to rectify the mistakes that have been made already. So Seven of Pentacles, Spirit, in reverse. Seven of Pentacles in reverse. Seven of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, Aries, this person is getting epiphanies now. They're getting epiphanies about all the time wasted, all the effort wasted. They never invested, I think, in this connection when the time was right. They may have broken promises, right? Always been ready with their sweet words and romantic efforts or whatever, but it was all false. They never, their actions never matched up to their words. So now I think this person is feeling quite hopeless. They're feeling like they've lost hope in this connection, that it can ever come back, and kind of resigning to their fate almost. I'm feeling quite low just seeing these three cards. Knight of Wands, Spirit, in reverse. Knight of Wands in reverse. Knight of Wands in reverse. Yes, this person kept secrets. They kept secrets. I think heart of hearts, they always thought that they would get together and maybe marry their person or commit to the person. This person always had difficulty in showing their emotions. They were emotionally very, very closed off and may have come across as a player or a troublemaker or just kind of dipping in and out of your life, because this person had a lot of trouble really expressing that in reality. I think they always considered their person as their forever person. But this was all hidden in the dark. They never expressed themselves. That was the problem here. So, Six of Pentacles, Spirit. Yeah, this card was there. I forgot to show it to you. They always thought their person to be their empress. I mean, this is the queen above all queens. You don't get better than this. Right? So this person hid that they always saw their person as the best person possible for them. So Six of Pentacles, Spirit. Six of Pentacles. Aries, I think somebody here breadcrumbed the other or showed that they were not interested, maybe were putting blockages in this connection all the time, appearing to be very greedy and I'm happy and as long as I'm okay. They never offered this new beginning when the time was right. And what's this Three of Wands, Spirit? What's this Three of Wands? Yeah, now their partners turned their back on them. The person who was not chosen has left them behind, is pulling away from their energy or has pulled away from their energy already, and now is shining bright, totally shining bright. So, Queen of Wands, Spirit, what do you want to say to us? Queen of Wands? Queen of Wands, what do you want to say? Queen of Wands says, yes, I did have a lot of affection, love, everything for them. I did see them as a soulmate, but I had no choice but to release them because they never showed me any love. They never showed me any love. So what was I supposed to do? I felt it. I knew they were my soulmate. But if there is no love, then I have no choice than to love myself first, put myself first, and be that Queen of Wands, which I now realize I am. I can turn heads wherever I go. I have lots of options in front of me. Forget the options. I can make a full life for myself and enjoy being me instead of sitting around waiting for a person who always made me feel unloved. So, Two of Wands, Spirit? Two of Wands. Yes, now that person wants to come back with an apology. The person who was always hiding their emotions, but as always, they're really slow. They're still kind of contemplating. Maybe, you have distance between the two of you or something like that. They are wishing and hoping for things to improve and, go in a good direction for them once again. Somebody doesn't want this chapter to shut down, but maybe there is oh yeah, they feel this Queen of Pentacles has already withdrawn their energy now. It's like this confidence, this sword is in this person's hand now. The sword of confidence is in this Queen of Swords' hand, and they've been dropped. They've been dropped. Now this person is very dissatisfied about all the time, energy wasted. Why didn't I invest when the time was right? They know they've caused this tower to fall big time, and it's making them feel very, very ungrounded. Very, very ungrounded. So, Five of Pentacles, Spirit? Yeah, somebody's made a choice. Somebody's made a choice to leave them out in the cold because of their selfish behavior. This is just one person's reading. This is one person's thoughts which are coming in the entire, and I think this message has been repeating for a very long time. But earlier, Aries, there were always two people on my table. The only one card I have about the other person is this one, where this person is already taken off, I think, and this person is feeling the loss, big time loss. Because they even now are standing here, still thinking of how to take an apology, wishing and hoping that in destined time or divine intervention or something like that, maybe that day they'll give that apology. But yes, it may be too late by then. So what's this Tower in reverse, Spirit, as overall energy? Yes, see, this is the fear that they have. Things have come to a stagnancy here. This person either had toxic habits, toxic behavior, or they had a fear or something like that. So I'm sorry about the thing. I've switched it off. Yes, that is still no news. They're still not making that effort to send that message, send that apology. Sitting here and just maybe afraid or angry or upset that things are over. So this is one person's read for sure. The other person's energy is barely here. Barely here. Yeah. So that's all I have for you, Aries. Hopefully it'll be more exciting next time. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.